Hello Udemy, I am Shahzad Ahmed from Shakespeare.com and welcome lecture number 15. Today we are going to continue the effects and now we are learning the animate. How can you use the animation? How can you add your own animation using the animate callback function or animate event? So first of all, you can create your custom animation using the jQuery animate function or the callback function or the event. So how can you do that? First of all, I'm saying whenever someone click on this button, I'm creating the animations and I'm going to move this div from here to here, from left to right. So how can you do that? I'm saying so by default, as you know, your HTML elements always have a static property or static positions. Now you are going to move this div, so that's why you have to use the position absolute or position relative to move your element from left to right, top to bottom, or anyway. For suppose I'm saying I have a div and I have a button, and now I'm saying this is animations, not slide. Refresh. Now I'm saying I have width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, background red. Now I'm going to add another property, which is the positions. Make sure I consider you have the basic knowledge of CSS, because I'm not going to learn the CSS here. I'm not going to teach you the CSS here, sorry. So this is the position absolute. Refresh the page. As you know, your button hiding. Now move your button from bottom to top. Okay, so now as a BR, so this is a BR. Refresh the page. Because you have added the position absolute property, so that's why your BR is not working. So don't worry about it. Just click on this and it's hiding. Sorry, it's sliding. Now we are using the animation. So first of all, what is the syntax of animation? Just you have a selector, definitely, and now you have events, which is animate, and you can pass 3 parameters. Your like this, left, right, top, or more than one animations, and your speed and your callback function. Okay, like this. It's a syntax. I'm going to show you how can you use the animation, or how can you generate, or how can you create your own animations. I'm saying whenever someone click on the button, we have a single button. That's why we are selecting, we are creating the selector element select. Okay, now this is the event animate. Okay, now I'm not going to pass anything, just I'm passing one thing. I'm saying that just move the element from left to right. I'm saying left, and now I'm saying 300 pixel. Okay, go to your page, refresh the page, click on the button. It's the animation, sorry, you have to add the click. After that you have to use the div, because it's a div. You can use the animate here, and now I'm saying move the element from left to right 300 pixel. Make sure you have to add pixel in single quotations. Go to your page, refresh the page, click on this. As you know, it's moving the elements. Now click on this, refresh, click on this. You are moving the element from left to right. In simple words, you are generating the animations. How can you use multiple properties? If you, for example, if you are using the more than one properties, CSS properties, I'm talking about CSS properties. So I'm saying that just this is the one property. Okay, so now I'm saying if I'm using more than one property, like opacity, and now I'm saying 0.2 and width comma, I'm saying I'm going to use width, and now I'm saying for suppose 300 pixel. Okay, now I'm saying the height, and I'm saying which is the 300 pixel. Okay, go to your page, refresh the page, click on this. So as you know, it's just refresh the page, click on this. As you know, you are generating or affecting some animations with width, height and opacity, and from the left, click left. Okay, fine. So if you know very well about the positions, you are using the position absolute. If you are saying that you have a position relative, so it's always works. Click on this, it's also working. Click on this, it's also working. Okay, if you want to add the effects, the queue functionality, how can you do that? For suppose I'm saying I have this animations, that means I'm moving from left and I'm using the opacity, width, height. Now for suppose I'm saying that I'm using another animations, sorry, just copy this block code, sorry, Control D. I have copied the block of code. Now I'm saying I'm using the animations, and now I'm saying from top. Here I'm saying from top, and I'm saying opacity 0.6, and I'm saying width is 200. Go to your page, refresh the page, click on this. So as you know, it's fine. Okay, because we are saying whenever someone click on this, it's executing this and also this. Okay, so for suppose if I'm saying 200 pixel, click on this. Okay, then this is the first. Okay, so now I'm saying after that you can add like this. Click on this, click, it's also working. This is the second way of doing your animations. The third way, you can use your selector in a div. For suppose I'm saying I have a selector which is the button, and I'm saving in a variable, for suppose my div. Okay, so now I'm saying this is a selector, I'm saving in a div. Now I'm saying my div dot animate, and now here you can pass multiple parameters. For suppose I'm saying left, and I'm saying 200 pixel, and now I'm saying that opacity, I'm saying 0.6 or 0.2, and I'm saying that width without quotation, width, and now I'm saying for suppose 150 pixel, and now I'm saying that height 150 pixel, but in a single quotation. Now this is the first animations, and now you are saying my div dot animate, copy this code, copy, paste this code here, change the parameters. For suppose I'm saying top, sorry, and I'm saying opacity 2.6, and now I'm saying 100%, sorry, 100 pixel. Go to your page, refresh the page, click on this. So as you know, it's working fine. Why it's saying okay? I'm saying this is the div because this is the selector, not a button. Click on button. As you know, it's working fine. So it's totally depend upon you. You can also use the third time animations. For suppose I'm saying right, and I'm saying 2.8 opacity, and in this time I'm saying 150 and 150. I'm going to add another control D, and now I'm saying I'm going to add for suppose bottom, (200 pixel), and I'm saying 100, and opacity is 1. Refresh the page, click on this left bottom, and saying left top bottom. If I'm saying top 0 pixel, click. It's totally depend upon you how it's working. Top 0 pixel. If I'm saying left 0 pixel, okay, go to your page, refresh the page, click on this. Okay, so now in this way you can add the animations. So I think this is enough today. In the next lecture we are going to continue our effects. So thank you for watching.